Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to give your hair a luxurious treatment that works wonders from the roots to the tips? Well, today we've got something that might just do that. Meet the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Hair Mask Treatment, a biotin-infused powerhouse designed to hydrate, strengthen, and promote healthy hair growth. Whether you're battling dryness, breakage, or just looking for some TLC for your tresses, this mask promises deep conditioning and moisture retention. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews and beauty tips. Now let's see if this hair mask lives up to the hype. The Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Hair Mask Treatment is a deep conditioning mask that promises to transform dry, damaged hair into softer, stronger strands. This mask is formulated with biotin, nettle, and a blend of sage and lychee extracts, all known for their nourishing and strengthening properties. Biotin helps support hair growth, while nettle soothes the scalp, making it ideal for anyone looking to improve hair health from the inside out. One of the standout features of this product is its inclusivity. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial chemicals, so it's safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this mask is designed to meet your needs. In my personal experience, incorporating this mask into my hair care routine was incredibly easy. I simply sectioned my hair, applied the product from roots to ends, and left it on for about 10 minutes, the recommended time. The texture of the mask was thick and creamy, but it spread easily through my hair without feeling greasy or heavy. After rinsing, my hair immediately felt softer and smoother. The real test came the next morning when I styled my hair. It was noticeably more manageable, and I could definitely see a reduction in frizz. My hair felt hydrated, and I didn't experience any of the usual breakage I often do when I style. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the texture of this mask is great. It doesn't feel too heavy, but still gives that deep conditioning feel. It absorbs into the hair well, leaving no residue behind. It also smells fantastic, with a subtle but fresh scent from the sage and lychee. It's a relaxing experience every time you use it. On the downside, while the instructions suggest using moderate heat for up to 30 minutes for optimal results, I didn't feel like that step was entirely necessary. Even without added heat, my hair felt deeply conditioned after just a 10-minute application. When it comes to value for money, this mask is priced reasonably for its size, 10 ounce, and the quality of ingredients. Considering the biotin, nettle, and other nourishing elements, this mask delivers good value for those seeking a hair treatment that's effective but not overly expensive. If you're someone who regularly spends on premium hair care products, this one offers a balance of quality and affordability. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The jar is easy to open and close, and it holds enough product for multiple applications, depending on the length and thickness of your hair. I also appreciate that the mask doesn't require excessive amounts to see results. A little goes a long way. So, is it worth it? If you're dealing with dry, brittle hair, or just want a hydrating boost to your regular hair care routine, this product might be exactly what you need. It's especially great for people looking for a deep conditioning treatment that's free from harsh chemicals. The addition of biotin is a plus for anyone focused on promoting healthier hair growth. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. I haven't needed to interact with Blaq's customer service for this particular product, but I do appreciate the brand's reputation for focusing on quality ingredients and safe formulations, which speaks to their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few other deep conditioning masks on the market, but many are either pricier or not as clean in terms of ingredients. If you're looking for something comparable but more affordable, you might want to check out brands like Shea Moisture or L'Oreal's Deep. Both offer similar hydration without breaking the bank. So to sum it up, the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Hair Mask Treatment does deliver on its promise to hydrate and strengthen hair. It's easy to use, safe for all hair types, and offers solid performance, especially when it comes to moisture retention. The price point is fair, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to improve their hair health. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.